So today I'll be showing you how to screen mirror your Google Pixel 10 to any smart TV. Now, right here, I have a Google TV smart TV, but I'll show you how to do this even if you don't have a Google TV smart TV. So for instance, if you have LG or a Samsung smart TV, I'll show you a workaround on how to get this done. Anyway, so if you have a Google TV, all you have to do is make sure they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then all you have to do is swipe down, go to the cast option, this one right here. If you can't find it, then just tap on the edit button and add it there. And then just tap on cast. You will see your Google TV. And then once you get here, you can choose whether you want to cast one up or the entire screen. I'm going to choose the entire screen and then tap on cast screen. And that should cast my screen on the smart TV. Simple as that. That's going to cast everything on my screen. Now, if you don't have Google TV as the operating system of your smart TV, then the workaround involves getting yourself a Google TV stick or Google TV box, right? You don't have to go out there and get yourself another TV or a different phone. You could go to Amazon, for instance, and get yourself a Mi box like this. Now, a Mi box, what it does is it creates a whole Google TV operating system. All you have to do is plug it into the HDMI port of whatever TV you have, whether it's LG or Samsung. And once you set it up and have Google TV on your Samsung or LG, then one of these gadgets can be very useful to you. It provides Google TV and you'll be able to screen mirror your Pixel phone. You can actually go for an even cheaper option, which is the Xiaomi TV stick. This one will be about $56. And all you have to do is plug it into the HDMI port of whatever TV you have, set up Google TV, and then now you'll be able to screen mirror your Google Pixel. Now, it's unfortunate that that's how it is, but if you need a workaround, you don't need a new phone, you don't need a new TV, that's the best way to go about it. Thanks for watching and good luck.